They flew us out before sunrise, no name printed on the chart, just coordinates and desert wind and heat that gripped the heart. 8 quiet islands circled us in the middle of the sea, and at the center burned the land that would remake me. No forest thick with shadow, no rivers running cold, just sand and salt and rising steel above the black gold. They said beneath our boots and drills a darker river rolled, a sleeping fire in the earth, liquid night, black gold. On the island of fire and black gold, where the sun burns ruthless and bold, I gave my youth to flame and sand, to iron towers we built by hand. No shade but sky of burning brass, no roots but pipes through shattered mass, yet life stood fierce, alive and whole, on the island of fire and black gold. But every morning at 5 o'clock, before the engines start to talk, birds would cut through the desert air like whispers proving life was there. Their wings above the smoking ground, their fragile songs above the sound of valves and flares and metal cries, small miracles in blazing skies. Men from deserts, men from rain, men with stories etched in pain, different tongues at break of day, but one same sweat and heat's harsh sway. No towering trees for them to land, yet still they circled over sand, as if to say, before the flame this island lies, remember its name. On the island of fire and black gold, where survival is forged, not told, we carved our futures out of heat, with blistered hands and burning feet. No garden green, no mountain tall, yet brotherhood outshone them all, and in that blaze I found my role, on the island of fire and black gold. Sometimes before the sirens cried, watch those birds cross the sky, and wonder why they chose this place of smoke and salt and iron face. Maybe even in fire and sand, life finds a way to stand. Maybe even in darkest soil, hope can rise from oil. On the island of fire and black gold, no, I left more than I could hold, not just sweat and desert flame, but a stronger heart that rose from pain. The birds still sing at break of dawn, even after I have gone, a living proof, brave and bold, on the island of fire and black gold. Before the heat, before the march of working feet, wings still rise through red dawn light.